So here, let's compare Evernote to Notion to see which one is better. Let's start off with the pricing. First things first, as you can see, Evernote has a free plan available, but the subscriptions start at $14.99 per month with the most powerful features. However, Notion has a generous free plan. Plus plan starts, the Plus Play plan starts at $10 per month. Now, the ease of use, Evernote is really simple, intuitive experience, and it's really quick setup, while Notion has a powerful organization features, but it comes up with a learning curve. Basically, this means that it's not quite quick setup as Evernote. Now, we can see here that the projects and tasks, we can see that the simple task features. However, the ability to build your own project and task management workflow is definitely something that we have to give to the Notion. Now, the flexibility is a decent flexibility in note-taking, but not much else from the Evernote. However, the Notion allows you to create virtually any productivity system you can think of. And then finally, AI, search and editing is available for the Evernote. However, text generation, editing, search, chat, and everything is available for Notion. So overall, Notion is pretty much better than Evernote.